Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find CapCut templates to use for your project on your CapCut. So there are two ways how you can do this. The first one would be to go on Google and search for CapCut templates. Now you go on Google. Now you're going to click on CapCut.com templates. As you can see, this is their official page. You're going to go here and you will find all of the templates here. You can search for them, or you can just basically scroll down and see what you need, or maybe you will find something here which will suit you. So this is one way. Another way is just to go to TikTok. You're gonna click on TikTok. Now you will go to search bar and just basically search for CapCut templates on the search bar, and you're gonna find many creators who are using those templates. And yeah, so if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.